Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to LIFEFOOD.tv. Alright, LIFEFOOD.tv. This YouTube channel here is going to be all about only 100% life food. Alright, we're going to use nothing else but the very high quality life food, which is the real life food, not just life food that has some life force. This is the real top life food stuff. So we're going to keep the integrity of the real life food, which is life food is food that contains a life force, which is a living aura around the food. And the way you can study that is through the Kirlian photography, which is at the microscopic level, it'll show the actual living energy coming off, emanating off the live food, like that. And not all raw foods are life food, alright? Not all superfoods are life food. Even really high nutritional food that has amazing vitamins and enzymes and vitamins and minerals and stuff is not necessarily life food. So all the ingredients we're going to use for making this amazing salad here are completely life food. Alright, so we're going to go through these ingredients here and how to make this life food. Alright, so I'll quickly go through the ingredients here. We got organic spinach. Alright, spinach contains the glutathione, super antioxidant for liver detoxification pathways 1 and 2. Amazing vitamins and nutrients, antioxidants, enzymes, and life force, and all living enzymes and living antioxidants. Alright, and then we got some organic sunflower sprouts here. Alright, the spark of life inside those puppies as well. Then we got here we got the organic broccoli sprouts here. Of course, sprouts have that spark of life, that auric force, also called auric foods. This is auric foods with the living aura around the food, which means if you eat the living food, you become life. You are what you eat. You eat life, you become life. You eat dead food, and you build dead tissue on your body, which is not living. Alright, so you don't have the electrical, biophotonic energy through all your cells of your body. You lose that spark of life, that biophotonic energy. Then we're also going to put, for the dressing here, we got 3 ingredients for the salad dressing. Alright, we're not going to be using like olive oil and other oils and stuff. I'm yet to study to see how much life force potential is in olive oil, especially cold pressed extra virgin organic, the high quality ones, or stone crushed or ozonated ones, to find difference between that. Same with apple cider vinegar, same with things like sea salts, Himalayan sea salt. We're going to use none of that today until I do further studying about the true life foods that are at least above 80% or higher on the life force potential. This channel, also you can find this channel at LIFEFOOD.tv. I have forwarded that URL directly to my YouTube channel, Life Fooders. Alright, so you can find it easy just at LIFEFOOD.tv, okay, because it's the YouTube channel. Goji berries here, they're dehydrated, so we're not going to use anything like that even. We're not going to use hemp hearts today because I don't know and I'm not sure. We want the highest integrity life foods. So all these we have are high integrity life foods. Alright, these got the chlorophylls with the green. These are also chakra foods with the chakra auric potential as well, with the different colors. So this salad is going to balance out the chakras of the body. Alright, so the lemon here is highly alkalizing, contains over a dozen antioxidants, including a high concentration of vitamin E. As well, lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, has the potential to dissolve liver and gallstones and kidney stones inside the body. There's no way of knowing how much exactly it'll dissolve, but it does have those properties of dissolving, because I did test my liver and gallstones that I got out from the liver flush and I put them in fresh lemon juice, and they did dissolve. And yet I did a control experiment with just water, and the stones did not dissolve. So that scientific experiment only proved that the liver and gallstones can dissolve directly in lemon juice. As well, also apple cider vinegar also dissolved it, as well as the kombucha drink. So those are three amazing natural ones. But the kombucha and lemon, for sure, very living, life force, live food. Alright, so antioxidants, vitamin C, alkalizing the body, which keeps disease away. You want to keep an alkaline body, where then cancer cells cannot grow, other diseases cannot take in. So then we got the lemon. Then we're also going to put in some grapefruit here, another citrus with vitamin C as well. Other structured water in all these fruits and vegetables. The structured water is made by the living fruit or a vegetable that as the fruit or vegetable is made, that water gets highly structured where the molecules form into sacred geometry patterns, and this is really powerful water as well. So we got and the grapefruit has the dissolving properties as well. So this dressing has major liver cleansing, as well as all the life foods have liver cleansing properties. And we're also going to put here, we're going to put sorry, what is that one? I can't think right now. I'll get back to it in a second. And we'll put that in to give it some pomegranate. Yes, pomegranate, of course. And the pomegranate, and that's red. So we got the chakras go from in color go just like the rainbow. The chakras of the body go from the base of the spine to the top of the head, the crown chakra, and it goes the root, the sexual chakra, the power chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye, and crown. So the neat thing is you look at the colors of the rainbow, and that's exactly how chakras are lined up, because that's connected to nature and our body. So the first chakra is red, the root chakra, then orange, then we got yellow, then we got green, and then we got all these green ones here. Then we got blue. Now blue is one of those foods that are hard to find. One blue food is like blueberries, but blue vegetables are very hard to find. But purple has got some blue pigments in it as well. So it would go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then say clear, or in the rainbow it goes violet, indigo. All right, so there we go, lots of chakra colors in there, and here we go. Let's make this up here. The last ingredients here, you see we got the red or purple cabbage there. We got the green cabbage. We got some avocado, and as you can see, the avocado does not have any brown spots in it. It's very high integrity. We have some broccoli here, and just so you know, the avocado too contains healthy fats for the body that create the good cholesterol, the HDL, and not the LDL. The LDL is considered the bad cholesterol that causes high blood pressure, heart disease, and can clog the arteries with sticky blood. Alright, so this is an amazing fat for the body as well. This contains a high amount of glutathione, as well, the super antioxidant for the liver detoxification. So you got the avocado and the spinach. The avocado and spinach are possibly the two highest glutathione foods found naturally in nature. They're some of the top ones for that. And then we also here we have a little bit of fresh arugula too, which is a bitter with some spice in it, which will spice up the salad as well. So let's get this thing going. It's actually quick and easy to make. 100% high integrity life food salad right here. It tastes great. It's going to be amazing. So let's just get some of these. First the spinach there. Then we'll put in the fresh sunflower green sunflower sprouts there. And the broccoli sprouts as well, the nice spark of life, the auric force in there. You know, all sprouts have, you know, the potential to grow a tree, which means that spark of life starts off as a little seed and it can eventually grow into a big tree. So it's amazing. Alright, and then we'll put in the avocado here with the glutathione as well, and the healthy fats that create the good cholesterol, and this helps lower blood cholesterol as well. This will help with decreasing any risk of heart disease, especially if you already have some potential heart diseases such as strokes, or you've had other heart problems of some kind, heart attack, and this is going to help with that. And all this life food with all the living life force, this is the highest source of foods on the planet, because that life force transfers from cell to cell. With the enzymes in here, the enzymes actually transfer, which is called zyme force, the enzyme force. And to the degree that the enzyme is intact and has its life force is to the degree of the zyme force potential. And enzymes, what they do is they're like free energy molecules in the food, because they know when they transfer the life force from the enzyme to the cells of the body, it does not waste any energy. It does not consume any energy. It is highly efficient. It's 1,000,000 more times efficient in transferring as a catalyst to transfer the life force to the cells than vitamins, minerals, and most antioxidants in the body. Alright? As well, there's actually, the neat thing is cozymes, and cozymes are enzymes that don't have any protein in them, and they exist and those cozymes, the neat thing about those is that they feed life force to enzyme, not from just enzyme to cell, but the cozyme actually transfers the life force and the zyme force from enzyme to enzyme. And the neat thing is they do not contain any protein. Right? So then that was the green cabbage there, and now we'll put in the red purple cabbage here as well. More life food on this one, as well as the crown chakra and third eye chakra, so help with those chakras, support them with the natural purple pigments of the cabbage. Plus, cabbage is really healthy for the intestinal tract. Alright, it supports the digestive system in digestion. It helps digest the food once it ferments in the intestines, and as well it helps support the immune system. In the intestines, where over 80% of the immune system is located in the intestines. Alright, so there we go, we got the purple cabbage, this 100% life food. We will then put this last ingredient, and then we will make the little salad here as well. So this pomegranate here, we'll just cut her in half, and that's just skin stuff there, that's all good, and we'll get that out. And then this way, you know, the salad is going to have a little bit of crunchiness to that with the seeds in there, as well as natural fruit protein in there in the seeds, and also lots of vitamin C and other antioxidants. And it's going to give it a nice fruity, nice zingy taste as well, to spice up the taste of this 100% life food salad right here. Alright, so there we go. Let's get this whole half in there. Let's fire her up there. And I mean, actually making these salads here are quite inexpensive in reality. You know, you think of what you pay to go out or something, or even to get a meal that's not a life food or a raw food. It's quite expensive. Plus, not only that, you're not really getting the nutritional value, and the biggest nutrition of all is the life force, and that's why this LIFEFOOD.tv YouTube channel here is going to be all about the life food and getting the true the true highest source of energy from your foods, the actual life force and the zyme force transfer. I'm gonna go a little bit more with the zyme force here. We're gonna talk about that as well. Zyme foods, which is also the life foods. And let's get this dressing here going, because what I discovered here is with the enzymes, like I said, the cozymes can feed the life force from enzyme to enzyme. Alright, and the zyme force can transfer enzyme to enzyme. But then there's also this special kind of enzyme called the ribozyme. Now the ribozyme is very connected to rRNA. Alright, and RNA and DNA. RNA is kind of, part of our old DNA from, the last however millions of years or whatever, that evolved into the DNA, that which is now the RNA is a single strand helix, unlike the DNA, which is a double-stranded helix, which is more superior because that double-stranded helix is more stable. And in nature, everything is trying to become more complex and more stable as the evolution of the DNA. So these ribosomes are special enzymes that are found in these kinds of foods as well. And these enzymes are actually able to help bring the RNA force, which is in the cells, the RNA as well, because all DNA traces back to the past. So although we have DNA in us, we also have RNA as well. And the RNA force, the life force of the RNA, called RNA force, with the ribozymes, that force can be transferred to the DNA. So that's like, first at the lowest level, you got the enzymes that feed the life force to the cells. Then the next level, you got the cozymes, which feed the enzyme to the enzyme. And then the next level, you got the ribozymes, which feed the zyme force or the RNA force, because you look at ribozymes are basically, the RNA life force of the RNA. So then the ribozymes are the highest ones, where they feed the RNA life force to the DNA. And then there's also a neat thing, just like the cozymes, there's also ribozymes are RNA, which is the RNA molecules that also don't have any protein, and these ones can feed RNA to RNA. So that supports the RNA, and then also RNA can go to DNA. And then so eventually here, I think what's going to happen here, I mean, we don't know, it's an experiment. If you're eating all these life foods and you're getting all this stuff, then what could eventually happen is, just like RNA went from single strand to the double strand, the double helix for the DNA, well, eventually here we could maybe get another helix, and there could be a triple helix, a new DNA, which will be then transmitted to all of life on our planet. And that's the thing. The thing with blood and stuff is that if you record the blood has a memory, and it also has an energy force. So healers can send their energy and change blood and change structures of blood and the structure of blood from a distance. So what happens is, it's like the 100th monkey. Eventually, everybody will have that DNA with the triple helix here. But there's no way of knowing until it actually happens. But that's what I think is going to happen from all this really amazing life food, eating the highest integrity foods with the life force. Because I explained it, as I explained it to you there, how the life force is transferred from enzyme to cell, from enzyme to enzyme, and from ribozymes to the RNA and RNA to the DNA. Alright, so there it is. That's the little thing about that. And then here's the salad dressing there. We got the kombucha, the lemon, as well as the grapefruit here. And because I don't want to make this video too long, what I'm going to do after this is over, I'll take a little spoon and I'll get the rest of that out and put it in there as well. You don't want this to go to waste, and this has got good fiber and stuff. So use everything, don't waste it. And there it is. That's how easy it is to make this amazing salad dressing. And just the one little word thing here is that this kombucha mushroom drink here, this kombucha mushroom is a living probiotic zyme force drink. This mushroom structures the water and gives it living enzymes, and that's the whole thing with the zyme force. Alright, this is a zyme food drink right here, zyme force drink. Alright, so much like Life Food contains life force, this drink here is considered a zyme force, a zyme drink, a zyme food right there as well. It's a life food as well, but very connected to the enzymes, because these mushrooms produce the powerful enzymes. So there it is. Before you put your dressing on, hold your dressing there, put some loving thoughts, and and bless your food here, and structure the water with like I say, your DNA, and even put the consciousness towards eventually here evolving into the triple helix DNA, alright, and beyond, no limits. Alright, so put that dressing on there like that, and maybe save a little bit and drink this as well. Add some structured water, or again, just more of this bucha drink here. There we go. And then you got your little drink here, the friendly probiotic for the health of the intestines, with the digestive system and immune system. And the neat thing about probiotics, these living probiotics with the live enzymes, probiotics act as natural antibiotics for the body. Because probiotics, you even look at the word probiotic and antibiotic, they're very closely connected. And also, so what happens is over 80% of the immune system is located in the intestines. So when you drink these probiotic drinks, or do enemas with them, which is even the highest level, which is 6 to 8 times more bile available to the body, next to direct injections into the blood, enemas are the fastest and most direct way to get things into your body. Because if you think about it, all this food eventually ends up in your intestines, and that's where it's absorbed into your body and into your bloodstream. So by doing enemas, you bypass and get it directly into your body, 6 to 8 times more bile available, faster absorbable into your body and into your bloodstream. So these probiotic drinks, this is natural antibiotics that's going to fight diseases and cancers, and this is actually nature's antibiotic that actually is a replacement for vaccines. These natural antibiotics allow your intestines to create its own antibodies to crack the code to whatever diseases you have. So this is one of the top probiotic drinks, but there are even more ones beyond this, and I will talk about those in other videos. This is actually my first video on this channel. So there it is. Doesn't that look amazing? All those chakra colors, all the life food with all the life force, and the amazing probiotic zyme force bucha ale brew right there. Alright, thank you very much for watching. This is LIFEFOOD.tv. Come back and watch the channel for more amazing videos. We'll see you next time.